Welcome back again to my channel. Leo ni siku ya finale ya World Cup, and guys, I just have to prepare Githeri for today. I'd already boiled them, zimechamshwa already, so don't mind ziko tatu, and I just want even venye bado iko icy, and I'm going to add with this one nione na yenye iko kwa hiyo the blue one. So the one that will be enough for everyone, that is what I'll go ahead with and prepare. So today's finals World Cup, just may the best team win. Yeah, so video leo ni vlog. Actually, I'll just take you through how I'm going to prepare Githeri for today. Kuna potatoes, nitaeka carrots, nitaeka nini tena, nitaeka cabbage. And what else? Yeah, potatoes, carrots, na cabbage. So I'm not gonna be spicing it up. Itakuwa spicy sana because we're gonna serve it when it's warm and fresh. Hakuna haja ya kuweka dania. So nitatumia tomatoes. I'm going to blend them. I'll share with you everything. So hapa kama nishakatakata my ingredients. The first one that we have no tomatoes, kuna onions, any one medium full, ama onion moja full nimekatakata, and then tomatoes zini tatu medium size, si large ingekuwa imejaza hiyo ako ka plate. And then this is hizi ni potatoes Irish, zile tudogo zenye watu hawapendi. So I'm going to dime it inside there. Itakuwa delicious, guys. Watch the video till the end. Here's our cabbage. Haijaoshwa bado. You can see it's still dry. It hasn't been washed. And then this is our carrots. Carrots nilichukua tatu, hazikuwa kubwa sana. So these are 3. Slice them perfectly. So ingredients done. Tushawasha jiko. I love using jiko. Jiko itaifanya inakuwa na ile harufu ya mafiga. Kama unatumia ile moto ya kuni. Kukitumia gas, yani chakula haikai tamu. And kiwa kwa jiko, it will iva so perfectly. I blended the tomatoes. I told you that I'm going to blend them. And so just want to saute the onions. Once they are ready, once they are zimekuwa soft, I'll go ahead and I'll come in with the blended tomatoes. At this point, guys, you should be liking my videos, subscribing and sharing. Yeah, you can share how to prepare this recipe. Wengi watu hatujui kupika Githeri. Sokotash in English. Yeah, sokotash. If you don't know how to prepare this recipe, this is a simple recipe for you guys, from scratch to making it perfect. And then you're serving your family. You can serve it with tea or even just porridge. Ama hivyo tu. Yeah. So enjoy the video. Niliwaambia nitaonyesha the whole process. After the onions, the tomatoes, and then the cabbage. After that, I'm going to add in the carrots, and then later naeka potatoes. So they will cook all together. Zitaiva tu. By the time potatoes inaiva, carrots pia zimeiva. It won't be like carrots haijaiva na potatoes. No, carrots hata haifai kuwa soft. Potatoes shouldn't be that soft as well. Inafaa ikuwe at least kitu mtu anaweza chew, anaweza bite na anaweza chew. I'll go in and add water, and I don't know if I'll show you the other parts because my phone is about to go off. and I need to charge it. Hii ni maji, sio hii peke yake. Kuna maji mengi nitaongezea. And let it cook for about 30 minutes. It's ready. Once it's ready, yes, there is the final outcome. There is the final result, and it's delicious. Ni tamu sana because it's not spicy, and I'm going to enjoy it with my family as we wait for World Cup. Guys, are you ready? Are you ready? And let me know which team you're supporting.